أسعد مخلوقاتك سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم عدد معلوماتك ومداد كلماتك كلما ذكره الذاكرون.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
And the rest of the Anbiya, the Sahaba, the Tabi'een, the Tabi'at Tabi'een, all of the Muslims from the time of Adam alayhi salam till the present, Ya Allah accept it from us. In particular, we pass this on to the ruh of our deceased family members. Ya Allah forgive their minor and major sins. We do dua that you forgive us for our shortcomings, for any minor and major sins that we may have committed, our parents or even the entire Muslim Ummah. Ya Allah forgive us for them. Ya Allah, we do dua on this day of Eid al-Adha. The bayan that was delivered today was one of unity, of understanding and educating ourselves on the differences within Islam, whether it's within Islam or outside of Islam. Ya Allah, we beg of you that you grant unity within this community. Ya Allah, grant unity to the members of Easton Jamia Masjid. We ask that you place your rahmah and your guardianship over this masjid and the members, all those who are connected to this masjid, all the worshippers of this masjid as well. Ya Allah, we do dua that through the blessings of this day of Eid al-Adha, Ya Allah, you grant us the ability to pray 5 times a day. Ya Allah, connect our hearts towards the Masjid. Ya Allah, give us the ability to spend in your way selflessly. Ya Allah, don't allow a single day to go by where we do not even open up your Quran to ponder and recite over